Hello, in this video we're gonna check if TCL 205 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first let's determine where all the speakers are. And right here on the top there's no speaker. There's a phone call speaker right here on the screen. On the bottom there's two speakers. On the right side there is nothing, and on the left side there's nothing. Also we can check the back and there's no speakers. Now to determine if it's a mono or stereo speakers, we'll need to cover the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that means it's a mono speaker. So now let's play some music and try covering the speakers with our fingers. So the sound is coming from the speakers down here, and I would say that's a stereo speaker as it comes from both of them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.